you want. We're going to stay here a little bit longer, okay? Just a little bit longer. Hang out with your Uncle Shane. Okay? Good girl. Sure are pretty. Oh, you're fine.
The other thing is that that's not it though. That's an alternative, right? Yeah, well, yeah. Well, I think Scuttlebutt. Oh yeah. Which is very tough, but he does some shit here.
I'm not leaving until I hear a little Motley Crue out of my little brother.
So that's a try. You just kind of stepped out of it. When you get done with that, where would you go to? That song you know is in E. It's an E, right? It's our top note E. This is a triad. Okay, do you do riffs up here? Right, like you did. You're supposed to. But when you really want to go off in E minor, right back up here to 12, 15. So play that rhythm. Play that rhythm you just did of that Steve Ray Vaughan thing. Just the rhythm. Oh, with the skeleton.
I'm just moving my fingers to the sound like that.
And then we're going to take that. We talked about phrasing. That's great. That's fantastic. We talked about phrasing earlier, right? So we take that scale. We can bend the very first, especially for bluesy stuff like Stevie Ray Vaughan. The first note. Yeah.
I'm not edgy anymore. Thank you.
Now remember where you want to hang notes at. G string. Talk back to me.
Don't be testing my boy, because he'll pass your test every time.
That's all right. Throw a little phrase in there.
He'll put his own stuff in there for you, brother.
Now, there's one thing you want to know. jump outside of this box we're playing in. So when we do this, so that's my second note, right? Second note. Here's an option, which I recommend you do as much as possible. Make the first note with your third finger. Second note's here. Yes. Now you're in the position, now finish this go away, you know. Just change this all of this. Walk out of it the same way you just came.
Well, you do here.
Yes, we're scooting. No, I want you to.
You don't want to walk out with this
note. I
stuff.
want you to start using this note.
We'll use it with the third or where?
Well,
We started with the third for some reason, didn't we?
we're going to start with the first 12 note scale.
I think the teacher might be coming back sometime soon.
Here I see.
Which guitar do you want to play today?
Sorry.
The yellow one?
Yes, we're scooting.
There ain't no yellow one.
Phrase, a lot of
I'll just buy one.
so to speak, as opposed to staying inside the box. The more you jump outside of that box, you won't be a position player only. It's about starting with this. Yes. It's just another way to play that scale. And when you learn this phrasing, it gives the options. This heavier string changes the way this feels when you're playing the guitar to phrase things the way you might want to do it in a specific way. In this case, round shower, many things. So we're just doing that in E minor scale, right?
These guys are so much more original.
It's the baseline. So try that with me. That's a good way to get that stuck in your head so you don't